How to recover deleted drafts on TikTok. To get started, first of all, you need to open the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the homepage of TikTok, where you can view the reels that are shared here. From this page, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you're in this page, tap on the draft and open the picture. Now go back and minimize the application and open Photos on your phone. You won't see the draft on your phone. Then, open the TikTok application again and tap on the three bars at the top right corner. Then, go to Settings and Privacy. Once you're in this page, tap on the option Account. Then, you need to tap on this option Download your data. Now, you can select your data or the file format from here. Then tap on this Request Data button. You will then be taken to this page where you can see that you've requested for all the data. So once you get your hands on the data, you will get your deleted drafts on TikTok. So, by following these steps, you can easily recover deleted drafts on TikTok.